I think you need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass, so paranoid. Watch your back! Oh my, here we go, no loose cannon, gone my bowler. Down couldn't get much lower. Quicksand's got no sense of humor, and I'm still laughing like hell. You think from a crime to me, looking so sorry that you gotta believe you've been affected by social disease. Well then, take your message. I created the sound of my broken pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night, and you can sleep with a gun when